Okay, hi, students. Today's session we are going to discuss about the Greibach normal form. That is called as another one more GNF. There is another one normal form for the context-free grammar. So in this video, what we are going to do this is what we are going to discuss uh, the theorem. First, what is the definition? After that, we can discuss with some examples. So that is one aspect for that. So first one is the theorem. So what is the actual definition is that any CFL without empty string generated by the grammar G in which all the productions are of the form A derives A alpha and where capital A is a variable, small a is a terminal and alpha is the string of variables. So you just note it out. So any CFL without empty string generated by the CFG in which all the productions are of the form A derives A alpha and capital A is a variable and alpha is the terminal. Alpha is a string of variables and small a is an terminal. So this is the one information on this. So another one more thing is so before doing this the normal form, we are having the two three formulas are there. First one thing is for k is equal to 1 to n do begin for j is equal to 1 to k minus 1 do for each productions are of the form ak tends to aj alpha do begin for all the productions are of the form ak tends to beta means this is an aj tends to beta. So we just replace aj by beta. So you just replace it on this. So this is aj. So this is AJ. You just note it down. Now you can see this. So what I am telling is, so here for each productions are of the form AK tends to AJ alpha. So I need to find out any productions are of the form AK AJ tends to beta is there. Na? We just replace AK tends to beta alpha. Here AJ can be replaced with beta and remove the production AK tends to AJ alpha. Another one more thing is second formula is for each productions are of the form AK tends to AK alpha. That is alpha means we just add the production BK tends to alpha or BK tends to alpha BK and remove the production of AK tends to AK alpha and end. So formula 3 is for each productions are of the form AK tends to beta where beta does not begin with AK. So this formula is satisfied. We need to add the production AK tends to beta BK. So these three formulas we are going to apply to convert the given grammar into an the normal form. That is Greibach normal form. So convert the as GNF G is equal to A1, A2, A3, A comma B, and here P A1 and where the production consists of the following A1 tends to A2 A3 and A2 tends to A2 A1 sorry A3 A1 slash B and A3 tends to A1 A2 slash A. So this is a given problem statement. Before solving this problem, we need to find out the theorem. So how we are going to discuss on this? Okay, so the Greibach normal form means any CFL without the empty string generated by the grammar G in which all the productions are of the form A tends to A alpha. So what is the meaning of this one? That is in the right hand side, each production that should starts with a single terminal. So capital A is a variable and small a is a terminal and alpha is a string of variables. You just note it out. Another one more thing is first we just choose which production we have to start. That is that is our important aspects are the important question. So what we are going to do this A1 tends to A2 A3. The above production is in the form of AK tends to AJ alpha. So we have to give the values K is equal to 1, J is equal to 2. So J less than K, that is equal to J means 2 less than 1 means the condition true. So we cannot start the production. And A2 tends to A3, A1 slash Bina, there is 3 less than 2 condition false, so we cannot start this production. Or we cannot use this production to start the process. So next one is A3 tends to A1, A2 slash A. So above production is in the form of AK tends to AJ alpha. We have the values of K is equal to 3 and J is equal to 1. 1 less than 3 means it's true now. So we can start this productions also. So A3 tends to A1, A2. So what we are going to, that is J is equal to 1. So J is equal to 1. So now this production is in the form of, there is AK tends to AJ alpha. So it satisfies the formula. So we need to find out any other productions of A1. So already we need find out A1 tends to A2, A3. So we need to substitute instead of A1. A1 A2, A3. So we need to substitute A2, A3, A1. So A3 tends to A1, A2, A3 tends to A2, A3, A2. So it satisfies the formulas 1 and A2 then implies A3, A1 slash B. So now it becomes as, again, we need to find out any productions on A3. Na? So again is there. So we need to substitute on this. So A3 tends to, that is B A3, A2, and A3 tends to A3, A1, A3, and A2. So remove the old production. So now it becomes A3 tends to B A3, A2. So it satisfies the condition. So again, it satisfies the third formula. That is starts with terminal. So again, we just add with beta BK. BK K value is equal to 3 here. So B3 we can add it at the end. So this is the one more thing. And suppose for considering this production, the K value are same on the both sides. So we just use the formula 2 BK tends to alpha BK and BK tends to alpha. So what we are going to do this, so it satisfies the formula and result is AK tends to beta BK and that is this. No. Here BK tends to alpha. BK tends to alpha BK or BK tends to alpha. So what about the alpha here? Now there is A1, A3, A2 is an alpha. So you can note it down. So you just take down this production and A3 tends to A, na, it satisfies, na, so we can add it. So A3 tends to A, B3 or A3 tends to A. So we just substitute this A3 tends to B, A3, A2, A, B3 and A3 tends to B, A3, A2 and A3 tends to A, B3, A3 tends to A. And take down the second production. So now first third production there is here A3 everything that should be in the form of Greibach normal form. We can take the previous one, that is A2, to substitute all the productions of the form A3 tends to in the A3 now, that is we just substitute A3 already A3 is in the GNF, so we can substitute all the productions here. So automatically it should be converted into GNF. So now all the A2 productions are in GNF. So next one is take the another production B3 tends to A1, A3, A2. So now we just replace all the productions. You know, here A2 is there, and A1 is also A1 is also in GNF. So we have to substitute all the A1 productions in B3, A3. So now B3 is also an GNF. So this is the way we are going to convert the given normal form into, and that is the GNF. Thank you.